Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to listen to music together on Spotify 2025. So in Spotify's latest update, let me show you how you can do it. Let's show you the steps. The first one is you can listen to music together on Spotify using Jam, Listening Party, or Share Play. So start a jam by tapping start a jam and then share a QR code or link with friends. Tap phones together to join if Bluetooth is on and you are logged in to Spotify. Anyone in a jam can control what's playing on the speaker. The host can choose to control the volume or share it with participants. And the second one is listening party. Share a link with others to register and join. Participants must use the same Spotify premium account to join. And the third one is share play. Open Spotify and play something while on a FaceTime call. Others can join through share play in the FaceTime call too. And last but not the least is Spotify Connect. Use on one device to remotely control listening to another. Check with device's manufacturer or Spotify content to see if your device is compatible. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just listen to music together, one or more people on Spotify. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.